December kicks off. Will Nifty see a Santa Claus rally? Well, December 2024 is here and investors across the globe eagerly wait for the month of December. Do you know why? Yes, you got it right. Santa Claus rally. From a technical perspective, Nifty's rebound is likely to stabilize only above 24,537 mark. Please note, until to 4537 is a resistance, plenty of fear could still come back amidst 1. Disappointing India Q2 GDP growth 2024. India's GDP growth has slowed to 7-quarter low of 5.4%. 2. Record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. In the week gone by, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs. 5,026.80 crores. FII exodus had crossed 45,973 crore rupees in November month. Long story short, stock-specific action will dominate Dalal Street. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In Friday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4384 crores while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 5723 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating consolidation. F&O December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 14.42 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 1.27 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 0.87. Nifty outlook, Nifty may trade choppy and volatile. Nifty, CMP to 4131. Support, 24,050 to 24,000. Resistance, 24,250 to 24,300. Range, 24,000 to 24,300. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 52057. Support, 51,850 to 51,800. Resistance, 52,350 to 52,400. Range, 51,800 to 52,400. Bias, sideways to bullish. Need to know. Risk appetite returned at Dalal Street after Friday's trade as Nifty rebounded 0.91%. Focus will immediately shift to the November auto sales data as corporate India automakers may have witnessed subdued demand for the month of November. The street will also react to the GST collections for November, which is expected to surpass Rs. 1.87 lakh crore collected in October. But the key highlight for this week will be RBI MPC outcome policy decision on Friday, 6th December. RBI is expected to maintain status quo because of rampant inflationary pressures as the retail inflation last month shot above 6% mark. Also, the growth forecasts may also be revised amidst disappointing GDP figures where India witnessed a fall in GDP to multi-quarter low of 5.4% in Q2 FY25. Net, the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das's commentary with respect to the timeline for beginning of rate cut cycle and growth forecast by the central bank will be watched keenly. On the global front, the US, Friday's non-farm payroll numbers become a key data of importance.